The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides standards for electrical installations, including color coding for three-phase conductors. These standards promote safety and consistency in electrical systems. Article 210.19 addresses phase conductors. Conductor A should be black. Conductor B should be red. Conductor C should be blue. For the neutral conductor, the color should be white or gray. As for the grounding conductor, the color should be green, with or without a yellow stripe. There are some additional requirements to consider. Firstly, the grounding conductor may be bare, covered, or insulated. Secondly, color-coded phase conductors must be permanently identified throughout the raceway or cable. Thirdly, when multiple three-phase systems are installed in a raceway, the color coding of one system may be used for all systems. Fourthly, if a separate grounding conductor is not used, the neutral conductor may be used as the combined neutral and grounding conductor, called a PN conductor. In this case, the conductor must be insulated and white or gray in color. Fifthly, if a PN conductor is used, the neutral and grounding functions cannot be separated at any point in the system. It is important to note that this color coding applies to three-phase systems that are used to supply power to motors, lighting, and other equipment. It does not apply to three-phase systems that are used for telecommunications or other special applications. The NEC guidelines ensure that electricians and technicians can easily identify the different conductors in a three-phase system, reducing the risk of electrical shock and other hazards. The black, red, and blue color scheme for phase conductors is widely recognized and used in industrial and commercial settings. The white or gray color for the neutral conductor helps to distinguish it from the phase conductors and ensures that it is properly connected to the neutral point of the system. The green color for the grounding conductor provides a clear indication that it is intended for grounding purposes and should be connected to the grounding electrode system. The additional requirements outlined in the NEC are also important for ensuring the safety and reliability of three-phase systems. For example, the requirement that color-coded phase conductors be permanently identified throughout the raceway or cable helps to prevent confusion and errors during installation and maintenance. The provision allowing the color coding of one system to be used for all systems when multiple three-phase systems are installed in a raceway simplifies the installation process and reduces the risk of misidentification. The option to use a neutral conductor as the combined neutral and grounding conductor, called a PN conductor, can be useful in certain situations, but it is important to ensure that the conductor is properly insulated and that the neutral and grounding functions are not separated at any point in the system. In summary, the NEC standard for three-phase color coding of conductors is an essential tool for ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical systems. By following these guidelines, electricians and technicians can reduce the risk of electrical shock and other hazards and ensure that electrical systems are properly installed and maintained. It is always best to consult the latest edition of the NEC and any applicable local codes to ensure compliance with all relevant requirements. In addition to the color coding requirements, the NEC also includes other important provisions related to three-phase systems, such as those related to overcurrent protection, grounding, and bonding. These provisions are designed to protect equipment and personnel from electrical hazards and to ensure that electrical systems operate safely and reliably. The NEC is a comprehensive document that covers a wide range of electrical topics, and it is essential for anyone involved in the design, installation, or maintenance of electrical systems to be familiar with its provisions. Regular training and education are important for staying up to date with the latest changes and best practices in the electrical industry. By adhering to the NEC standards and following proper safety procedures, electrical professionals can help to create a safer and more reliable electrical environment for everyone.